Why, oh why do I do this? I swear I'm a glutton for punishment. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Um, I have, like everybody, we have all this long list of projects that we have to get done around the house. Well, I'm about to start a major one here, and it is to essentially gut and remodel our master bathroom. Um, my house is big, it's beautiful, it's wide open, great high-end finishes. Everything about it's awesome, except for this eyesore, the master bathroom. It is tiny, it is dark, it is dingy, the finishes are sloppy. It's just not good. We bought this house a couple years ago, and immediately, you kind of go for the 80% rule, right? 80-20, where you get 80% of what you want and then 20% where you can live with. Well, this was part of the 20%. I always knew that we could redo it, but I guess now is the time. So just kind of want to give you an overview of what we got going on here, what we're trying to do, and yeah, I guess kind of bring you all along for the ride. A total disclaimer at the start here, I am a total noob. I am not handy when it comes to this kind of stuff. I've just been watching YouTube University, trying to learn as I go. I have a pretty decent idea what I'm doing. I'm an engineer by trade, so I can figure this crap out, but it's still first time for me for all of this for the most part, except for the electrical. Plumbing is not my forte. The finesse and detail work is not really my forte. I'm just all about meat and potatoes. I want to get the meat of it done, let somebody else kind of button it up. So I guess, yeah, let's just kind of dive in and see what kind of deficiencies we're trying to fix, and hopefully we make this stuff better. So yeah, as we walk in, one of the biggest things is this wall here. You walk in and you pretty much feel like you're walking directly into another wall. It's just not so much fun. It really sucks. So what we're going to do here is we're going to essentially notch out 2 foot by 3 foot area here, and we're going to put in a piece of tempered glass that's going to kind of open this up and let you kind of see through it, give it more depth, so you don't feel like you're walking directly into a wall. Okay, I'm going to be redoing some electrical work in here, moving the stuff around. We got some infrared heat that we're going to try and save, so we're going to kind of move this stuff. One of the nice things about this is that we have a walk-in shower available, which is great. I love walk-in showers, much better than the corner showers that you're used to and whatnot. Yeah, it's got two spigots and everything, fantastic. One of the major problems is, you'll see that if I want to use this end one, I have to walk into the shower, I have to turn it on, and then I have to get sprayed with ice cold water, before it all heats up. So what we're going to do is, this is that wall that we're going to be doing that tempered glass in. So we're going to be taking this spigot out, okay? All right, and then we're going to be redoing this one here, and we're going to relocate the mixing valve, and we're going to pull it over here a little bit closer on this wall, so that we can manipulate it here and not have to worry about getting splashed with the water. Obviously, we're going to be taking out all of the tile in here. Okay, we're going to be ripping out the curb and the shower pan. We're going to be going with a curbless solution from Vim Industries. Seems like a decent product. It's got great reviews. Watched a lot of videos on it. Seems like it's going to do well. Again, I'm not going to try and mess with trying to slope and pre-slope a shower pan and trying to get that screeded correctly and get my slopes done right and all that fun stuff. I don't want to deal with that crap. So that's where we're going to kind of cheat a little bit and use the prefab solution. We got this is already wrapped, but this is one of those, I guess I can kind of show you. It's an ice cube look. It's just really bad. It looks like it's from like 1973, right? And so this divider here divides the shower from the tub. I'm not about to knock this out. That's why it's already wrapped up. I have it wrapped because this is glass, and if you hit it, it's going to shatter. So I'm trying to keep all the glass shards together in one spot. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this out. We're not going to replace this. This jacuzzi tub here. I don't know about how many of you have ever actually used a jacuzzi tub after like the first or second year, but these jets always get clogged with crap. No matter how many times we've tried to clean it out, matter how we've done it, doesn't matter, crap still comes out of them. So we're about to cut this into about 1,000 different pieces with a Sawzall, and we're about to take that out of here and we're gonna replace it with a really nice freestanding, floor standing tub. It's gonna be really nice. And then, so by removing, going to a curbless design, removing this, and then going to a freestanding tub, we're gonna be able to kind of make it feel like it's a little bit more, got a little more space, right? Because like right now, you know, you get out of the shower, you hop on to the mat here, but it's like, you see how much space there is? I mean, there's no space here, right? So if somebody else is in here, you're potentially fighting with them for space at the counter here. No good. So we want to be able to kind of get out here if we want to, you know, get outside this instead. So that's kind of where we're going here. It gives us a little more space in this area. So, so we're going to be taking this glass block window, I guess you want to call it a window. We're going to be taking this out and we're going to be replacing it with just a single pane of glass we're going to put in there. So that'll be nice. We're going to be redoing the tile on the walls. We're going to be changing that to a different color. We're going to be redoing the tile on the floors. So that'll be nice. We're repainting. I hate popcorn ceiling. So we're going to be doing knockdown here. Replace the ceiling fan because that's nasty, right? We're gonna keep the toilet. That's my favorite throne, so we're keeping that bad boy. That's not going anywhere. With the vanity, we're gonna keep the actual vanity base. We're gonna go with under-mounted sinks since I don't like the way this looks. It just looks cheap. We're gonna be doing Cambria countertop. If you're not familiar with Cambria quartz, Cambria makes the finest stone surfaces you'll ever see in your life. They are just magnificent, beautiful designs. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We're gonna be getting rid of this single pane of mirror here. We're gonna be doing dual mirrors, okay? I'm gonna be rerouting this electrical here. I'm gonna be taking this 3-gang and I'm gonna be converting it to a 1-gang. And then we are going to be turning this vertically. I'm gonna be having 3 toggles vertical. And then I'm going to be taking this electrical outlet here and putting it between the 2 mirrors, so that we still have electricity here for all of her stuff, all of her irons and whatnot. So that's kind of the deal. I wanted to kind of, so this inlay that we're going to do here, we're going to have the shelving, right? That's going to go on top here. I shouldn't say shelf. I should say more of an accent piece that the piece of glass is going to sit on. That's also going to be Cambria quartz. And then in the shower, not 100% sure exactly where it's going to go yet, but we're going to be doing a niche area, and then we're also going to be doing Cambria quartz in there. So be really nice accents. I'm going to be, let's see here, we're going to be taking out just a plain old recessed light here, and we're going to be doing a nice, more decorative piece. I'm going to be putting in a separate project of whole home audio. So I'm going to be putting a speaker meant for moist areas in here. On the wall there, I'm going to be putting a TV that's meant for moist areas, so that, you know, we're going to be putting this nice soaker tub in here. I want to make sure my wife can watch, stream, whatever she wants to watch. No more HGTV. Bad idea, because I don't want no more projects. All right. So that's pretty much what we've got and what we're going to do. So I think it's going to take a while. Again, like I said, I'm new to all this, so everything's going to be a learning experience. So, you know, with lack of experience, you pretty much multiply your amount of effort required to do something correct. So it may be I do things 3 times. You know, hopefully it's not the expensive stuff, but I guess we'll find out. So yeah, I guess, you know, come along for the ride, and I guess we'll see what transpires. I'm hoping that it comes out nice. If it does, great. Because I want to be able to build these skills and be able to do more DIY work, because I've got I think a few other things I want to do around here. So as I do more and more projects, you know, I think my confidence and my abilities will kind of increase as well. So part of what we're going to see is just some time-lapse video of some of the projects. I'm going to go in depth on some of the stuff. But I'll probably reference a lot of YouTube videos rather than trying to learn from me. But if there's any unique scenarios that I come up and against when I'm doing this, I'll make sure to slow it down and kind of dive into it and, you know, kind of give solutions to problems that I've found. So yeah, so come on along.